Thinking of starting a business, but terrified to leave your well-paid job? Well, that fear is real. The security, paychecks, perks, it's hard to walk away. But what if I told you you can legally run a business without quitting your job? Yes, you heard it right. But here is the big question. What will happen if your employers finds out? Will you get fired, sued, or blacklisted in the industry? Well, starting a business while employed, the best decision of your life or the biggest mistake you will ever make? And most importantly, how do you know that it's time to take the leap and go full-time entrepreneurship? That's where I come in. Hi, I'm Simi from Bosswala. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any video from us. And if you are already part of our family, welcome back. Moving on today, I am going to break it all down for you about working full-time and running a business. Is it legal? By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's legal, what's not, how to manage both, and the sign that it's time to take the plunge and go full-time into business ownership. But let's be honest, not all businesses works really well with a 9-to-5 job. Some are perfect side hustle, while other might drain your energy and also land you in trouble. So let's get started and know what kind of businesses can be done with the job. Number 1. Digital product selling. Imagine this. You love photography and you have got hundreds of beautiful shots just sitting on your hard drive. What if you could turn them into your passive income? Selling stock photos, Lightroom preset, or digital art online is completely legal and won't interfere your job. The best part about this is there is no conflict with your HR, you're not competing with your employers, and also you are not using company time and resources. Number 2, content creation. Yes, but with limits. Content creation is the hottest low-budget business right now. Everyone wants to be a creator. But can you do it without violating your job contract? So imagine you are a marketing executive, but in your free time, you start a YouTube channel or a vlog on personal finance. Is that legal? Absolutely. You can earn from ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing without breaking company policies, as long as you're not using working hours and company resources. There are many content creators who are actually working as a full-time employee and creating content as their passive income. But what if you are someone who thinks if you want big, you need to go big? Here you need to think twice. If you have a full-time corporate job, with deadlines, targets, and responsibility, and you plan to open a restaurant along with your friend, well, my friend, this might land you in trouble. Because the harsh reality is restaurants need full-time attention, managing staff, handling inventory, customer service. It's not a side hustle. And if you fail, the financial loss can shake your career. Starting a company tech firm, well, don't even think about it. Now let's talk about a business that can definitely fire or sue you. Starting a competing tech firm. If you're working in a tech company and you also want to start something similar, offering similar services on the side, maybe even at a lower prices than your employer, this is going to be your big mistake. If your company finds out, you are done. They may terminate you immediately or hit with a lawsuit for violating your contract's non-compete clause. So moral of the story, some businesses work with job, some doesn't. Choose wisely. I know you have questions and I'm here to break it all down. How to find out if your company allows it? Before you could do anything, check your employment contract and company's code of conduct. If you are thinking to start an e-commerce business while doing your job, then make sure your contract doesn't ban employees from engaging in outside business activities. Read your contract's fine print. If it's unclear, consult with your HR. Get clarity on what's considered as active or passive income. But if your company allows how to manage a business along with a job, see, running a small businesses like handmade jewelry or customized gift, you can sustain if you follow these 3 golden rules. Number 1, working only after office hours. Number 2, use freelancers or automation to handle workload. Keep your performance at work strong. Never let your job suffer. And also never use company resources like email, laptop, or work hours. for your business. That's an easy way to get caught. But what if your company doesn't allow? Here is a trick. Register your business under your spouse, sibling, or trusted family member's name instead of yours. Guide them, train them, manage everything remotely. And once your business is successful enough to replace your salary, then you can quit your job. I know what you're thinking. When you can move full time into your business. If you have a stable job, your business is earning more than your salary, should you quit now? Absolutely no. Wait at least 6 months and generate a strong revenue pipeline before taking the leap. Make sure you have savings and a safety net. But here are something you should do and shouldn't do. Number 1, read your employment contract carefully. Number 2, choose a business that doesn't conflict with your job. Number 3, set clear boundaries between your job and your business. And lastly, plan your exit wisely. What you shouldn't do is working on your business during office hours. Use company resources and let the performance suffer. See, running a business alongside your job is possible, but it requires strategy, ethic, and careful planning. Think about this. Ayushmann Khurrana was a radio jockey before he made it big in Bollywood. Even Shah Rukh Khan started with TV before ruling the silver screen. Success isn't about quitting everything. It's about smart transition. Every empire begins as a side hustle. The question is, will you be the one to make it work? If this video helps you, share with someone who needs this. And remember, your dream business starts today, not someday. And don't forget to download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tool and resources to start, operate, and grow your business. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bosswala. Be the boss.